In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a curved arrow in Figma. First, open your design in Figma and navigate to the frame or canvas where you want the curved arrow to appear. It helps to zoom in slightly on the area you'll be working in so you can see the edges and handles clearly as you shape the arrow. Next, press the O key to activate the ellipse tool, then click and drag on the canvas to draw a circle. If you want a perfect circle, hold the Shift key as you drag. If you prefer an oval, just drag freely. Don't worry about the size yet. You can resize later. The important part is getting a clean ellipse down so we can convert it into a curve. Now turn that ellipse into an arc. Click to select the circle. Then hover over its edge until you see a small handle labeled arc. Click and drag that arc handle to trim the circle into the curve you need. To delete it with the arc in place, select it and open the stroke section in the right-hand sidebar. Add a stroke color that stands out against your background so your arrow is easy to see. Then increase the line weight to make it feel bold and intentional, setting it to around 4 is a solid starting point, and you can nudge it up or down depending on your design scale. To turn the curve into a true arrow, add arrowheads. Still in the stroke panel, click the Advanced Stroke settings to reveal the endpoint options. Choose an arrowhead style for the start or the end of the path, depending on which direction you want the arrow to point. If it's pointing the wrong way, simply switch the arrowhead from start to end, or vice versa. You'll see the head snap onto your curved path, giving you a clean, polished curved arrow. And that's it. Thanks for watching.